Hello and welcome. It's Susan. Today I'm going to do a bloom on a 12 by 12 canvas, a large canvas. This is one of the largest ones that I've ever done a bloom on. So I won't be able to blow the bloom with my breath, or I don't think it would work with a straw as well. So I'm going to be using my hair dryer set on cool setting, and I'm going to go from above down. So I'm just going to be using 3 colors. First of all, I'm using Prussian blue. It is Amsterdam Prussian blue. Okay, it's Amsterdam Prussian blue. And that's that. And there's 2 other colors, and it's black and white. And they're both Amsterdam. This is the lamp black Amsterdam, and I'm using titanium Amsterdam white. This is just for the puddle part that I'm going to blow. The black and the white are opaque, so what I have to do is make them transparent before I add the pouring medium. And in order to do that, I'm mixing the black and the white half and half with glazing, Liquitex Glazing Medium. So that should turn it into a transparent color. Then I will add the pouring medium, and hopefully that will work. This is a bit of a test for me. So that's that, and my cell activator is Amsterdam titanium white, mixed 1 part paint to 4 parts of the Australian Floetrol. Okay, in my pouring medium, I used semi-gloss Beauti-Tone Signature Series semi-gloss clear base, and this is very thick, so I mixed it about half and half with American Floetrol, this here. And then I added Liquitex Gloss Varnish to it. My recipe will be in the description below my video. My pillow is Beauti-Tone Designer Series Satin white, and it's also thick, so I mixed a bit of the Floetrol in with that too, just to thin it down a little bit. So that is that. I pretty much think I've explained everything. I will begin. Okay, I'm going to start by applying my base coat. Alright, I'll start adding the paint. And first making sure there's no air bubbles. Where's my little thing that I had? I keep losing a little toothpick. Doesn't look like there is. I poured really carefully. There's one actually. Maybe 2. I don't think there's any more. Maybe. couple of tiny ones. I think that should be good enough. Okay, so I'm going to add blue first, the Prussian blue. Try and get it right in the middle. Then some white. Not much of the white. Then black. Black's awfully thick. More blue. Didn't mean to do that, but that's okay. It's not going to kill me. It's not going to hurt any. Hope I have enough paint. This time I'm adding a little more black. Then just a tiny bit of the white, not much. Then I'm going to end off with the blue. So now the cell activator. I've never done one this big before, so I hope it works out. And I'm going to use my hair dryer. Setting is cold. I'm going to start way up high and go down. So it's going to be a little noisy. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to let the center come back to level with the rest of the paint. Checking for air bubbles. There is none that I can see. There's maybe one here. See, again, I lose my little toothpick. Oh my goodness. It must have blown away with the hairdryer. I think I see one over here. Not too sure. Yeah, that was one. And I think we're all good, I hope. And it's looking pretty awesome. I'm just going to show you closely what it looks like. That worked out pretty good. Just make sure you're still in frame here. Okay, so I'm going to start to spin. It looks like it's level. Start off slow. I'm not sure how much it's going to move. start, it's going to splatter a little bit. I'm going to have to wipe the edges a bit before I continue. So I don't get it all over the place. Oh my god, I love the Prussian blue with the black. It's so awesome. I think I'm going to leave a lot of negative space. So it looks pretty cool. I'm just tilting the bit this way. Absolutely love the blue. One of my favorite colors is the Prussian blue. Just want to get some white on this corner. I'll see if I can get any more out of my tin. Oh, there's my... Oh, it's awesome. It's awesome. Just put some white there. Actually, I can just scrape this. Okay, I'm loving this one. Whoops, I got to wipe some more. It's going to fly off. I love the white negative space too. Starting to splatter. I love, 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 love it. Okay. Should I finish it now? This is it. Should I spin more? Take a look at it before I call it quits here. Okay, I'll take a look at it. Did get some air bubbles over here, but that's okay. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I don't think I need to spread it out any farther. Looks pretty good to me. Love it, love it, love it. How does it look the best? That, like that. Yes, or that. This looks best. Okay, I'm going to bring the camera down for a close-up. I will let it dry show you at the end. I think it looks pretty awesome. You don't have to add a lot of colors. You can add just, this is just black, white, and Prussian blue. Looks awesome. Just enough blue. Okay, whoops, before I drop my phone, I'll let this dry. Hello, I came back with the dried results. It dried really nice and smooth. No cracking at all. So I guess you can see that the black and the white, using them in a bloom is possible if you make the two paints, the opaque paints, transparent before you start. So you mix the paint with the glaze, equal parts. So then the paint starts out as a transparent paint, and then you add your pouring medium. And it worked pretty good. Showing you a close-up. Really, really love the Prussian blue color. It's one of my favorite colors. Lots of nice lacy. Alrighty, so thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye for now.